experienced panic, you understand that it can be extremely frightening, something that makes you feel like you're unsafe. And panic attacks are something that you can try and avoid by knowing the signs, symptoms, and looking at thought patterns. So as soon as you feel anxious or you start to feel panic starting up, you want to pay attention to those body sensations so that you can try and avoid that in the future, or at least notify yourself that if I'm getting hot or I'm feeling unsafe, if I start to feel like I'm having breathing troubles, I can pay close attention to the things to do next. And depending where you are in your panic cycle, if it's the early stages, you can try and do things like distract yourself. If you're more towards the middle stages of a panic attack, you can still try and do grounding techniques. You can get outside for a walk. You can make lists. You can make coping cards, journal. There's lots of things you can do. But if you're towards the upper stages of panic and you're feeling like your symptoms have really escalated, so you're in a full-blown panic attack, the best thing you can do is try and ride the wave. I know it sounds scary, but reminding yourself that you can get through this, you've done this before, and this is something that you know, even though it feels unsafe, is not something that's going to harm you. Doing your best to try and get through it with breathing techniques, getting outside, trying to move your body, calling a friend. Those are all things you can do to try and make things better.